Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Today we are going to do exercise 3.3. Before entering the exercise 3.3, we need to know a small concept. The concept is relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. Here we are going to frame a relationship between zeros and coefficients, right? Before knowing what are the zeros and what are the coefficients, first I would like to tell you a small story. It is very known to you all. The story is that in 2011 there was a movie named I Am Kalam. You might have heard it. So based on that, this concept will be easy if you remember this name, I Am Kalam. Now let us see how our present concept is linked with this, right? Now first I would like to start this concept with an example. So the example is that x square minus 10x plus 24. Now I am going to find the zeros of this polynomial. For finding zeros, as you know, we need to make that one is equal to 0. So let us take this as one equation. Now polynomial becomes equation. It is a quadratic polynomial when there is no is equal to 0. When we keep is equal to 0, its name is changed from quadratic polynomial to quadratic equation. Now it is quadratic equation, right? Now first here you see the coefficients. X square coefficient is 1. X coefficient is minus 10 and 24 is constant term. So here you see we have seen the coefficients of the given quadratic equation, or as we are in this topic we can write as quadratic polynomial only. Why we kept 0? For finding the zeros. For finding the zeros we need to make the polynomial equal to 0. Now I am going to find the zeros of this polynomial. First you multiply the x square coefficient and the constant. Follow the steps carefully. First you multiply coefficient of x square and then constant. Here you tell me what is the coefficient of x square? 1. 1 into 24. 1 into 24 is 24. So here I am writing, children, for 24 I am writing all the factors. So 24 can be written as 1 into 24 means 124 is a 24. In second table it will come 2 into 12, 2 12 is 24. In third table 3 into 8. In fourth table 4 into 6. In fifth table it doesn't come. Let us leave the fifth table, no problem. Now in sixth table 6 into 4. How long we need to write? Do we need to write up to 24 into 1? No need. Here when you get the repetition, means here you see 6 gets repeated, 4 gets repeated, then we can stop writing the further. Why? Because the next one you may write 8 into 3, that is already there here, 3 into 8. Next you may write as 12 into 2, so that is also already it is there. Finally we have 24 into 1. That means here what are the sets or what are the pairs we get earlier, those are only going to be repeated. So better when we get the repetition we can stop it. Now the second thing, say first we have multiplied and we have written all the factors. Now second thing, you have to give the symbols for bigger numbers as well as the smaller numbers, right? How to give the symbols? Here you see x square is there. Before that which symbol is there? It is invisible but plus is there, right? So here plus into minus, it's very easy. Plus into minus is minus. this minus is to be given for bigger number. This first multiplication plus into minus, if you get minus, you give this symbol, minus symbol, for the bigger number in these pairs. See, 1 and 24, bigger one is 24, so I am writing minus because here bigger number is to be given minus. 2 and 12, 12 is bigger, minus. 8 here, 8 is bigger, minus. 6 is bigger, minus. In these two, 6 is bigger, that's why I am writing minus here. Now, minus into plus, you multiply these two, minus into plus, that is minus. This minus you give for smaller number. Small we can write, here I write big, here I write small. So for the smaller number, I am giving here minus. So in these two, this is big, this is small, so minus, 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 and then minus. Right? Now you observe, here this each pair 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, these all numbers are giving us here 24, that is nothing but multiplication. So here this 24 is nothing but the multiplication of the numbers. So multiplication. Now here you see we have used the x square coefficient, that is 1 and constant. This minus 10 is not being used so far. That will come now here you see. If both the symbols are minus, we need to add them. So here minus 1 minus 24 is minus 25. Minus 2 and minus 12. I am adding here children. I am adding. So it is minus 14. Here minus 3 minus 8 is minus 11. Here minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. Here minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. Now here you compare the middle number with the addition. These are all addition. Right? These are all multiplication. Now here these are all addition. In addition, where it is matched, minus 10 is matched here. So this pair, minus 4 into minus 6, can also be taken as minus 6 and minus 4. These two are same only, right? So you can take either this or this, but the answers are same, minus 4 and minus 6. So here I am selecting this. These are all rejected. Why? Because their addition is not minus 10. That means here the middle value is nothing but addition. Right? And here, moreover, the starting one, if it is coefficient is 1, it is very easy to solve for us children. If it has coefficient also, it can be done. But here, while learning the relationship between the zeros and coefficients, we need to make this coefficient is to be 1. So in English, you see children, 1 means I means I is first person singular. Singular means single. So here remember that this, if it is 1 means a problem will be solving will be easy. So here observe I, this is I, am, addition, multiplication. Here why I took column name? Because you can say, okay, you can write your name, I am so and so, no problem. But the thing is that he is a very great person children, and that too he is a favor of nation. Okay, don't misunderstand me. He is not father of nation. Father of nation is Mahatma Gandhi. He is favor of nation, means nation favors him, nation loves him. He too loves the nation. So here favor of nation, factorization. You just see, try to understand. Okay, just for fun I am saying factorization. So here this what we are going to do now children, we are going to factorize. So these are the factors, other name is zeros. Okay, now here I am writing, I am moving little bit forward. First I am writing x square as it is, minus 10x, I am writing as minus 6x minus 4x. So here minus 10x I am writing as minus 6x minus 4x. Right? Plus 24, let us write as it is equal to 0. Clear? Now here you see 1, this is second term, 2, this is 3 means third term. Given terms are 3 terms. Just now I made them as 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So 4 is an even number. So here I am taking children, in first 2 what is common? In the same way, in second 2 what is common? Now 3 became 4. So we can split as first 2, last 2. In first 2 what is common? x square means x into x minus 6 into x. So here x is common. I am taking x as common. Now in first two, what is left here? X square is x into x. I have taken one x common. So one more x is left. Minus in 6 into x. I have taken x common. So 6 is left. In these two, here you see, here minus, in these two you see 4 into x is 4 into 6. So I am taking 4 common. Here you need to understand very carefully, children. Some children, they might have committed mistake here. Here I am taking minus common. When I took minus common, immediately I need to change the symbol. You see here, in minus 4x, if I take minus 4 common, x is left. Here 4 6 are 24, 6 is left. It's not a problem, but thing is that whatever symbol here. What about the symbol? Here you see, minus into how much is plus? Minus. But some of the children, they may commit mistake. They may write minus 4 right, but they will take x plus 6 here. That is wrong, children. So here, when you take minus, immediately should change the symbol. Plus becomes minus. Then only minus into minus become plus. 4 6 are 24. And one more thing also I will say. Here when you take common, children, these two will be definitely coincided. Okay, so those two will be definitely will get equal. If you take, means if you select the perfect pairs, definitely here these two will be equal. So that is one more clue. You can remember it. Now you see here how many terms are there, children? This into makes one term. This is another term. So here two terms. See, in the question given 3 terms, we made it into 4 terms. Again 4 terms. Again they are made into 2 terms. In these 2 terms, which is common? X minus 6 is common. I am taking x minus 6 common. Here you see, in the first term, x into x minus 6. X minus 6 went as common. Here what is left? X is left. X minus, here x minus 6 went as common. So here 4 is left. So x minus 6 into x minus 4. When the product is 0, individually they will be 0. Means either x minus 6 is 0 or x minus 4 is 0. Minus 6 on that side, x is equal to 0 plus 6, nothing but 6, or x is equal to 0 plus 4, nothing but 4. Right? These are the zeros of the given polynomial. See here, we are going to establish relation between zeros and the coefficients. Before that, I have just now explained you how to find the zeros. These are the zeros. They have another name also, children. Those are also called factors. So here x equal to 6 and x equal to 4 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Now let us take another example. Before going to another example, first let us write what we have learnt earlier. X square minus 10x plus 24. X square minus 10x plus 24 is written as x minus 6 into x minus 4. Now let us take another example, that is x square plus 10x plus 24. Same way, first we need to multiply the first coefficient, x square coefficient, with constant 1 into 24, 24. So let us write the factors of 24. 24 is 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6, 6 into 4. Right? Now here, let us give the symbols. As I have told you, when we get the repetition, we can stop. That's why I have stopped here. Now we need to give the symbols. See, first one here, no symbol is there, means here plus is there. Plus into plus is plus. Plus into plus is plus. This plus is given for bigger value. So let us give plus for the bigger value. Here this is plus, here 12 is big, so it is plus. 8 is big, so it is plus. 6 is big, plus 6 is big here, so plus. Now multiply this plus and plus. This is also plus. So here in this problem, smaller number also gets plus only. So here this is smaller, plus, 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 and then plus. Now multiplication work over. Now we have to see the middle term. That depends on addition. So by adding which numbers you get plus 10. Let us check now. Plus 1 and plus 24 is plus 25. Here plus 2 plus 12 is plus 14. plus 3 plus 8 is plus 11. Here plus 4 and plus 6 is plus 10. Here plus 6 and plus 4 is plus 10. Now here you see the middle term plus 10. Here where we get this plus 10? Here. So this pair is not suitable, this is not suitable, this is not suitable. You can select any one of these two. So here I am selecting the last pair. Now here let us write the x square as it is. This 10x is there, 10x I am writing as plus 6x plus 4x, right? So 10x can be written as plus 6x plus 4x. 24 right as it is. As I have told you, we are finding the zeros. Let us take the given polynomial is equal to 0. So here 0 comes. Now here 4 terms are there. In 4 terms, I am taking the common term in first 2 terms. What is the common? The common one I am taking. Same way in the last 2 also I am taking the common value. So here in first 2 x is common. So here x square is there. So x into x is x square plus x into 6 is 6x. So here 6 comes plus here 4 is common, right? 4 into x, when we take 4 common, x is left. 24 is 4 into 6, 4 came as common here. So here 6 is left. Now in these two x plus 6 is common. So here I am taking x plus 6 into, here x is left, here plus 4 is left. Clear? Now when the product of two polynomials is 0, either one of them is 0. So either x plus 6 equal to 0 or x plus 4 equal to 0. Here x equal to 0 minus 6 is minus 6, or x is equal to 0 minus 4 is minus 4. So here we found the zeros of the given polynomial, right? Here you observe, children, this plus 10x is written as plus 6x and plus 4x. This is also called splitting the middle term. Here the middle term is 10x, that is splitted, right? Here you see this gives the multiplication value, this gives the addition of the zeros. That's why here this is addition, this is multiplication, this is single. So I am same again. So this one also followed that rule, our rule, that is I am column rule. So finally here the zeros are minus 6 and minus 4 for this polynomial.